Hello, all. Salutations to all gurus and parents who have given us the birth and make us what we are today. Today, I am going to give you topic political. Its foundation is on spiritual, very much so. Hope this is a very interesting topic for all of us. Dear friends, right from day one of this creation, spirituality was given a lesser importance. It might have been very good in the Treta Yuga where the yajnas were done. Kruta Yuga, of course, the first one where the yajnas were done. Dharma was on four legs. Dharma Vrishaba, they call it. The holy cow. Then Kruta Yuga, Treta Yuga, the avatar of Rama. There were also yagnas. In Dwapara Yuga, there were no yagnas. There were homas. And in Kali Yuga, there is no homas or yagnas, but only namasmarana, remembrance of God. The holy cow is now limping on one leg. 3 legs are gone in each yuga. Friends, this video has no face. The reason is the moment you project your personality, I and mine will be there. Because people will criticize you or praise you. But we will not be going in that line. Either it should be a faceless working or it should be group working. Because I cannot present you the group now, which possibly I can try later. I am giving you a faceless presentation. Face is temporary, work is permanent. So the Dharma lost its reverence slowly and slowly, and now we can say that only about 25% are there with staunch dharmic content. Dharma will be followed by all people, but in various percentages. Some people may have dharma in voice, some people may have in the mind, some people may have in action also. Some people may have in all the three. As political workers of the country or international countries, people, these political workers should understand that the political aspect of life is due to the planet Sun, which is like father. If father goes in a bad way, then the family collapses. That is happening from many ages. Our governments, which are controlled by planet Sun, have not given us the spiritual education. There are hurdles in this way. Truly, government says that government should be secular. Okay, you promote all the spiritual people, all the spiritual cults or religions. But see that even in the competitive sphere for winning, this criteria of spiritual growth should be recognized. That is not there. That is why the reason we are going down and down. We are earning concrete materialism. We are earning making huge concrete jungles. We are going away from nature. That is why in the future nature calamities will be on the increase. Many species are dying. We have seen many type of big lizards and in the past were there, and slowly now even the ants are not there in urban areas. What is the aim of life? Aim of the life is spiritual bliss or happiness or satisfaction. Do you get the satisfaction from money? Perhaps 90% not. 10% there is a chance. If you invest the money selflessly, then do some service, then there is a chance of getting your chitta suddhi, your mind will be cleaned, then you will be going in the spiritual path. Even Gita says, na karmana na prajaya, tyage naikaika amrutatva manasu. You cannot get spirituality through work by producing any factory or any startup, or you cannot produce spiritual bliss with children and population, but it was only with sacrifice. The service gives you sacrifice. But what is the nature of all this creation? Planets are driving the creation. Even the creator is behind the planets. Sun is the ahankara, the ego, which is piled from the past many lives. Sun is the purpose of life in the horoscope of an individual. Sun is, it is called Atmakaraka, the chief planet for soul, the soul bliss and soul knowledge, Atma Gnan. Venus is for hormones. The hormones in the body are controlled by Venus. That means that the status of a person's health is dependent on Venus. Venus is also luxury and income, money, family. So Venus, it is almost dominating even the sun also equally. Venus rules equally with sun. All political equations are under the control of Venus. Venus is dominating the politics also. That means that money is dominating the politics. True, there should be some control for money manipulation. That is why Venus has been given upper hand. But in the past ages there was dharma, it was okay. But now, even in the past ages of Rama also there were questions. And Rama gave us the true conductance of a person of dharma, the dharma avatar, Ramachandra, Jesus Christ. He has given us the path of love. Love is more than character. Character is shown by Jupiter, Guru, Brahaspati. So for a politician, Jupiter, Sun, Venus, Saturn for masses, attraction, Moon, healthy mind without any afflictions on Moon. These are the plus points. If Mercury is there, of course, very intellectual person. Jupiter is there, very dependable person, faithful person, so on and so forth. A minister is in the form of Brihaspati and Sukracharya. Venus is Sukracharya and Brihaspati is Jupiter. So ministers in politics, they are peddling with money also. So that is why politics in this Kali Yuga has gone down as mere money earning trait. It's slowly a calamity in the face of the money and trade. True, some good people are there, but the path and the trajectory, if we are not able to direct towards spirituality, the politicians, the political workers who are toiling hard will soon face the revolt of the people. Saturn also guides the political equations in the country or elsewhere, internationally also. Saturn teaches us lessons. Saturn is karma. Now, Corona, Saturn has taught us with health and politics. Be it a Chinese controlled Corona bioweapon, but it has given us the God given change. It has taken us back to nature and natural remedies, washing hands, not touching each other, drinking hot water, etc. and so forth. So, I have given you in a nutshell what are the planets. Shani is for past life karma also, perhaps which I missed. In a horoscope or in the horoscope of a country also. So, friends, you have seen in a nutshell what are the effects of the planets. Governments should realize that peace is there with only realization of knowledge through the wisdom of Jupiter and Mercury also. Jupiter is wisdom and Mercury is buddhi, they say, intellect also, and deep mind workings that will direct towards steady behavior is also Mercury. The families of the people are affected, including of the politicians also, and because there is no peace in the family of a political worker, or in 90% of the families, there is a degeneration of values as per the ages of the dharma. So there is pollution of the mind and pollution of nature also, that as we have talked earlier. To stop all this, the spiritual education is needed. Wonderful scriptures were given by our gurus in the name of Bible, Old Testament, Gita, Bhagavad Gita, Karma Yoga, the Sankhya Yoga, Bhakti Yoga. But people are not given time to practice these things. People are more busier than the previous ages. Computer speed, the speed for earning buck, luxuries. They are losing the health also in this aspect. That is why a 5-day working is suggested by intellectual people, including me. And the timings of the day also will be debatable. The British type of timings from 10 to 5 is not advisable for healthy people. For the spiritual awakening and health, let us start the day from the Brahmi Muhurta, the time of the angels, from early morning 3:30, and close the day. Even the business establishments and shops all should be closed by 8 o'clock at the max, or even 7 o'clock, which is better. All shopping should be done between 5 and 7. And a 5-day week. Saturday is not a weekend, Saturday is for work. So this type of changes have to be brought in society. Then the real progress starts. The administration, the workers' participation in administration, or the administration at the doorstep should be taken in a serious way, and the spiritual and the family counseling should be done at the residential areas. The health counseling and the self-employment counseling, everything can be done directly at the residential areas to provide youngsters and the old the benefit of Oriental knowledge. So with these few words, I wish you good luck, and I will see you in the next video.